I've always loved Magic: The Gathering. The game is fun to play, constantly evolving, and the art is nothing short of amazing. Unfortunately, I've never had a local community or group of friends to play with, until a couple of years ago when I found out that Magic Arena exists, so I was able to play online for free. Some time ago I was at a local flea market looking for vintage lenses and cameras to review here on the channel when I stumbled upon a box full of Magic cards. I took a quick look and immediately realized it was mostly multiple copies of the same few old cards, so I haggled down the price to €5. Once I got back home, I patiently organized them by color, cost and type, and I could confirm that some of them had up to 23 duplicates, for a total of around 770 cards. Although I wasn't expecting to find any valuable cards, I did check them out on Card Market, and in fact most of them were worth a few cents up to a couple euros, but one card did stand out, a polluted Delta. It was not in good condition, but nevertheless a few days later I was able to sell it to a shop for €25. I used the remaining cards to build a honestly pretty terrible deck, and I picked out some more cards that I might use or sell individually, and in a matter of a couple of weeks I was able to sell the leftover bulk for €15. At the end of the day I made €35, I built the deck, and I still have all of these cards left to sell. And yes, it was absolutely just luck.